In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a burner phone to factory settings. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. To fully power the phone off, press and hold down the power button. Power off. Okay. Okay, with the phone fully powered off, you need to press and hold down the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see a screen appear, and then when you see a screen appear, let go of both of the buttons. Okay? Okay, now let go. Okay, when you see the no command button, press the power button. Okay, now using the volume down button, go to wipe data factory reset. And the next thing you need to do is press the up button. When you press the up button, it's going to take you to the next screen. It's going to ask you to confirm to wipe all of the user data. You then press the up button, and then the data will be wiped from the phone and the phone will be hard reset. So there you go, how to hard reset a burner phone. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.